So this is all still First Landing State Park. It's just such a really very, very diverse. Again, you've got the cypress swamps, salt marshes, beach, woods, and it's right in the middle of Virginia Beach. It's so close to where everybody wants to be, and it's nice. Great for hiking, absolutely. Again, there's 20 miles of trails, so you really have to work hard to hike the same trail. There you have it. Over that way, you'd be heading toward the Norfolk Naval Station, and this way you would be heading toward the resort beach in the Atlantic Ocean. This right here is not the ocean. This is the Chesapeake Bay, and you can see the Chesapeake Bay Bridge and Tunnel. Take a walk on down. This part, they have campgrounds. They've got yurts, those kind of dome tents that nomadic people used to use. They've got cabins. They have RV parking with pickups and electricity. They have tent camping. Just about anything you want. If you wanted to come to Virginia Beach during the season when things can be kind of expensive, and over there we have Shore Drive area, resort hotel. Sand dunes. These are very well preserved, very natural habitat, a lot of wildlife. Good morning. Again, this is the Chesapeake Bay. They do have a beach here. This is not the resort beach. The resort beach is that way. This is kind of more of a natural habitat where the resort beach is concrete boardwalk, hotels, restaurants, bars, shops, all kinds of stuff. But again, this is the diversity in the environment in First Landing State Park is really, really amazing. If you ever get here, I highly recommend it. $7 to get in, but you can purchase a pass that is good for all 42, 43 state parks in Virginia. And that, if you're 62 or over, it's $40. If you're under 62, it's $85. Today, it's $7. All right. And that's pretty much First Landing State Park in a nutshell. So again, thanks for stopping by, and tune in again for James Wanders Off the Pavement. We'll talk to you later.